Paleolithic age बोलते हैं. तो Paleolithic age also known as Old Stone Age. Okay, Old Stone Age. Okay, so we have already discussed about this in my previous series. Okay, but still I'm repeating. So this this age began 2 million yani 20 lakhs, all right, and ends as per the historian, okay, so called historian, this is 10,000, okay, 10,000 BCE, okay, BCE, ये 10,000 है, 10,000 BCE, you know, this is before common era. So about these things I have already explained, so there is no point of explaining again. Okay, so ये था time frame. So now today we'll be discussing little bit in details about the Paleolithic age. Okay, this is also known as Old Stone Age. Paleo मतलब old है, okay, old paleo, and lithic मतलब पत्थर, okay, पाषाण, okay, आदिम पाषाण युग. All right, this is 2 million मतलब 20 lakhs. All right, so this Paleolithic has also been, you know, further subdivided into 3. okay, इसको 3 में, so I'm just rough use के लिए मैंने इसको sketch किया, so for your better understanding. So because these are boring subject, you know, history, dates and things are, you know, boring. So pictogram in a picture, the play away method, you know, colorful and everything, so it will be pine inside your mind, so it will be stored for longer time, okay, longer period of time. So that's why I came up with this idea. All right, so that the main purpose is result. Okay, result means the answer writing. Okay, so in answer writing में आपको remember करनी है. All right, so this is further divided into 3. So without delaying further, let us see what and all these 3 are. Okay, तो पहला जो phases है, पहला जो phase है, पहला phase को बोलते हैं early. Okay, so we will historian term them as early, और आप कह सकते हो उसको लोअर. ओके, लोअर बोल सकते हैं, लोअर पैलियोलिथिक. ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी, लोअर पैलियोलिथिक और अर्ली पैलियोलिथिक. ओके, एंड ये हो गया आपका मिडिल. ओके, मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक. ओके, एंड तीसरा जो है ये अपर है. ओके, दिस इज अपर पैलियोलिथिक. सो उसका भी टाइम फ्रेम है. सो इसका टाइम फ्रेम है 2 मिलियन से लेके 1 मिलियन. ओके, मतलब 1 लाख 10 लाख. ओके, इसका टाइम फ्रेम है. BC है ऑफ कोर्स, BCE. ओके, एंड ये 1 मिलियन से लेके 40,000. ओके, 40,000 किलोमीटर्स, आई मीन सॉरी नॉट किलोमीटर्स, 40,000 के मतलब किलो, 20,000, 40,000. एंड अपर जो है, अपर 40,000 से लेके 40,000 किलो यानी 40,000 टू 10,000. ओके, ये उसका टाइम फ्रेम 10,000 BCE. Okay, BCE. So this is the time frame. Just go through it, pause the video and go through it. Okay, BCE. Okay, so ये था Paleolithic age, also known as Old Stone Age, and its time frame is 2 millions to 10,000 BCE, and further divided into 3. 1, this is early or lower Paleolithic. This starts from 2 millions to 1 million BCE, and 2 दो जो है वो मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक है, 1 मिलियन मतलब 10 lakhs to 40,000. ओके, BCE. एंड थर्ड जो है ये अपर पैलियोलिथिक है. ओके, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 40,000 to 10,000 BCE. ओके, ऑल आर बिफोर द birth of the Jesus Christ. Okay, so ये था. Alright, so let us go and check in detail. So I have for you. Okay, नमस्कार दोस्तों, ओके, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। पोडोसा इन्फो चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। ओके, सो विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दी, वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, ओके, इट इज रिगार्डिंग Paleolithic age. Okay, so let us see what and all I have for you. Okay, so यहाँ पर like previous day, so previous series I have made some arrangement. So see, this is in a, so for your better viewing, so I will be maximizing it. I will be इसको थोड़ा जूम कर रहा हूँ. So देखो, you can see here, can you see this? यहाँ पर देखो Paleolithic है, Paleolithic has 2 million to it. Post the video, so we have already discussed. So now we will be directly talking about the Paleolithic characteristics. Okay, ये है, इसको देख लेना, pause the video and go through it. Okay, so this thing I come up with because this will help you before it's too late. You know, don't practice this answer writing. This will help you answer writing, in answer writing. So start from now only. So you just go through it, so in a crisp manner. So I have given you some data, see, all information, all informative, so it will help you in main answer writing. So ये देखिए, मैं इसको छोटा कर देता हूँ. दिस इज नॉट टू मच. ओके, सी, मैं इसको छोटा कर देता हूँ. आई विल शो यू बिफोर वी गो फर्दर. ओके, देखा आपने? So only 2 pages, so we'll be discussing now. Okay, so I will be dictating but not in toto, so just I will talk little bit. Okay, how to study, because I don't have to tell you, you guys are intelligent yourself, so I'm just helping you. All right, so here these are the characteristics. Okay, what and all there. So let me pick the pen as earlier. So उसके बाद, all right, so इसको undo कर देता हूँ. See here, human skulls seem to be more erect and bigger brains. What does it mean? I don't understand. You guys understood? Human skull. सो Paleolithic एज का क्या है, उन लोगों का स्काल होता है. स्काल मतलब जो कंकाल होता है, सर जो रिमेन्स होता है, मतलब मरने के बाद जो अवशेष रहता है. ओके, फॉसिल, ओके, नॉट फॉसिल, स्काल, सर, ह्यूमन सर. ओके, माथा. ओके, द हड्डी जो है. सो आई विल सी, आई डोंट वांट टेक यू नो रिस्क में लेना नहीं चाहता, लेकिन क्या करें, आपको थोड़ा समय के लिए दिखा दूँ. यहाँ पर पढ़ो, देखो, ये ह्यूमन स्कल सिम टू बी मोर इरेक्ट एंड बिगर ब्रेन्स, मतलब बिगर जो साइज उन लोग का है ब्रेन का बड़ा था. ओके, सो कंपेयर टू नॉर्मल और कंपेयर टू दिस लेटर Paleolithic people and middle Paleolithic people, this लॉयर, आई मीन अर्ली और लॉयर Paleolithic people, अर्लियर जो फेस का है, उन लोगों का जो साइज ऑफ द स्कल वो इरेक्ट था. इरेक्ट मतलब सीधी सी बात है, मतलब सीधा. ओके, स्ट्रेट. सो मैं आपको पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, बट आई विल बी टेकिंग अ रिस्क बिकॉज देर इज़ अ very chance, you know, for me getting a copyright strike. So just 30 seconds I can show you. See, not here. Can you see this? Just go quickly this one. Okay, so type here difference between Homo sapien and the modern human. So you will get to know. So मतलब this type, okay, Homo sapien. Okay, so like this, if you study, so see like this, so you can understand. All right, so I'll quickly come back because I don't want to take the chance. Okay, so ऐसा पढ़नी है because this history, and on the top of it is static, and on the top of it, you know, it seems like a you know, concocted things by the historians, so-called historians. So but what to do, you have to clear the exam, and you want to get the position. So in order for you to get the position, you need to clear the exam, and to clear the exam for you, you know, you need to by heart everything. So for longer memory, okay, recollection, for longer recollection, I mean recollection, the thing, remembrance, so you need to study the things in a pictorial way. So this, see, human skull seem to be more erect, so it is something like, it is very hard to remember. So that's why if you follow this tactic, going through the internet and seeing in the form of picture, so it will retain in your brain, okay, so for longer time. Okay, so that is the idea I'm just giving you. But what to do, I cannot show you for more than 30 seconds, otherwise I will get a I will get a bamboo, copyright strike. So I'm very quite new to this YouTube. I feel like, earning some bucks from here as a side business, side income, but still now I didn't get. So anyway, so ऐसा पढ़ने हैं आपको, all right. Human skulls seem to be very erect and bigger brains. उन लोग कहना है इस तरह का, उन लोग का जो brain है वो थोड़ा बड़ा है size. And क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर, their thinking ability was less developed. यह कैसा हो सकता है भाई, एक साइड बोलते हैं ब्रेन बड़ा है और बोलते हैं कैपेसिटी लेस है. इट्स नॉट मैचिंग, राइट? बट स्टिल व्हाट टू डू, दिस इज द, I mean, we don't have any alternative. So you thought to become IAS officer or whatever, high ranking officer, so you need to remember all this. And historians call them homo sapien, और उन्हीं को बोलता है homo sapien. Okay, and traced their presence in अपर पेलेलिथिक एज. और ये जो होमोसेपियन जो बंदा लोग होते हैं वो लोग अपर पेलेलिथिक एज में, सो 2 मिलियंस मतलब 20 लाख्स टू 1 मिलियन का बीच में जो टाइम फ्रेम है, उसी टाइम फ्रेम में जो लोग थे उन लोगों को बोलता था होमोसेपियंस. ओके, सी, एंड ट्रेस देयर प्रेजेंस इन अपर पेलेलिथिक. ऑलराइट, I don't know what about the other phases, 1 million to 40,000 and 40,000 to 10,000. So it is not there. Anyway, it's way. So ये है तो आपको पढ़ना है. All right. So you need to. Also, second point, थोड़ा यहाँ पर इसको पिक कर लेता हूँ. Second point में है this one. Also, the tool used were not so advanced. Okay. So here they are stating, I mean the historian, they are stating the tools they used were not advanced compared to the later two ages. Later two ages मतलब ये जो है middle and the upper Paleolithic age. All right, and example दिया गया है, sharp stone and bones and wooden tools, access, spare bows and arrows. So these are the things, I mean these are the tools they used to, I mean weapons. These lower Paleolithic people used to carry. Okay, they used in day in and day out. Okay, so you need to remember all this term, upper, okay, lower and middle. So ये बन गया आपका middle, ये बन गया आपका upper, and this is the lower. Okay, or early you can say. This is early, this is middle, this is later. So you can say later also. All right. Third point जो है यहाँ पर दिया गया है, even the limestones were being used for weapons. So weapon making के लिए जो अस्त्र शस्त्र उन लोगों के पास था. Okay, अस्त्र basically the stone. Okay, obviously बात है. So even the limestone, चूना का पत्थर जो है, limestone क्या कहते हैं, what is the limestone? So for you to understand for longer understanding or longer remembrance, so you need to go to the website and give this limestone and put limestone weapons Paleolithic age, you type, you will get. So it will keep for longer memory. Okay, you can retrieve for longer memory, longer time. So next point है quartzite. So ये मैं in my previous video also I talked about this quartzite. Next point, so quartzite, a type of hard stone, okay, were employed to shape stones into weapons. Okay, so I have already explained you, I have already discussed about this point. Quartzite एक किस्म का पत्थर होता है जिससे कि जो पत्थर होता है, दूसरा पत्थर, ओके, नॉर्मल पत्थर, उसको काट के साइज बनाते हैं वेपन के लिए, जैसे कि हार्पून हो गया, जैसे कि एरोस हो गया, बोस एरोस हो गया, स्पेयर, hand spear, I mean hand axe, okay, substone, और बोन्स को काटने के लिए भी, ओके, वुडन उसको काटने के लिए भी. सो दिस इज द क्वार्टजाइट. ओके, दिस इज द एक किस्म का दाव है, ये एक किस्म का ब्लेड. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो है, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग हियर. दिस इज द idea that historian came up with. So ये जो paleolithic age है, 2 million to 1 million, मतलब 20 lakhs to 10 lakhs, ये जो BC का जो फेज है, उस फेज का जो कंडीशन है, वेदर कंडीशन, ओके, एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन, वो एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड कंडीशन था. ओके, that was. So this is the concoction idea of the historian. Okay, so they are under the impression that the early phase, okay, early phase of the Paleolithic age environment condition was very extreme cold condition. So as a result to these, so human being, I mean Homo sapien, they started thinking about discovering fire maybe in their mind. So that's why I put this, discovery of fire, irrigate, okay, just closer to this. So you just to, this is the technique how to remember. Okay, ऐसा करके आप longer recollect कर सकते हैं. All right, so fire discovery happens in Paleolithic. All right, ऐसा करने से ज़्यादा retain होगा for longer time, because you need to study not only history. So there are four optionals, I mean the main, okay, history पढ़नी है, economic पढ़नी है, geography पढ़नी है. Okay, in history again many, ancient, modern, right, like this, ancient, modern, और क्या है, ancient, modern, okay, so like this you need to study. And geography, okay, and grammar पढ़नी है, essay पढ़नी है. So there is no time. So when you sit for study, you study in such a way so that it will retain for longer time. So that's why I came up with this idea, so in colorful way, okay, so that you can remember for a long time. Next point kya hai, they relied on food gathering. Okay, obviously baat hai. So this is the idea that a historian, so called historian, they are thinking that these people, Paleolithic, early Paleolithic people were food gathering. They used to gather the food, and hunting, okay, hunting especially the animals maybe. And they had no, because they had no agricultural activities, I mean they had no idea about the they had no knowledge about the agricultural activities. And building house, so they didn't know how to construct building. Okay, that is also. So they used to live they used to live hunting animals or fishing or fruits, or they lived on leaves. So these are the, so the question may ask what is the source of economy. So the source of economy were hunting, fishing, okay, searching fruits and leaves. So these are, natural availability. Okay, so these are the economic sources. And these people were entirely dependent on weapons made from stone, obviously, as they lived close to the mountain areas, okay, caves, rivers bank and rock shelter. So जाहिर सी बात है, घर नहीं है तो रहेंगे किधर. So जगह बचा है पेड़ का ऊपर, नहीं तो रिवर बैंक, ओके, नदी के तट पर, नहीं तो केव्स, गुफा में, एंड माउंटेन और हिली एरियाज. सो ऐसा जगह में सोना तो है. सो दिस इज द ह्यूमन बॉडी, सो वी नीड रेस्ट. सो ऑब्वियसली नेचुरल अरेंजमेंट. सो दिस इज द idea, this is just idea. So historian also just they wrote, okay, they didn't go back in, they didn't have any Durvin or television or whatever, I mean other arrangement to see. They are also concocting that. This is all written based on their ideas, concoction ideas, okay, their idea, that's all. I am feeling, especially I don't feel good, okay, especially this history subject, okay, boring. But what to do, you need to clear the IS examination or any other competitive. So this is best way to remember. All right, now third क्या है यहाँ पर, okay, one additional information दिया गया है यहाँ पर. Some historian believed that the rock painting found at Bhimbetka, ये आपको दिस इज़ रेड अपल. ओके, भीमबेटका दिस क्वाइट ऑफन सवाल करते हैं यूपीएससी और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, एसएससी सीजीएल. सो मध्य प्रदेश में है ये. सो प्रूफ दैट दी हंटिंग एज द मेन लाइवलीहुड फॉर सब्सिस्टेंस. थोड़ा भीमबेटका में पेंटिंग्स क्या मिल गया एनिमल का. ओके, सो there, I mean historian, concluded thinking that these people, their livelihood was hunting and food gathering. So see, their so-called educated historian, what to do? This is the clue. They got in some cave some clue about this painting, and they concluded saying that these people, Paleolithic people, they are hunter and food gatherers, and they didn't know the art of agriculture. So where is the scientific thinking then? All are based on the concoction. So any which way, you need to clear the examination, so you need to by heart all this. So now here is the point. भीमबेटका, सो आपको ये जाननी है, अच्छी तरह से याद करनी है फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. सो प्लीज़ यू जस्ट गो थ्रू. देर आर वेबसाइट. सो आई थिंक इफ़ आई ओपन, सो आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम. हियर कहीं पर है, मैंने यहाँ पर भीमबेटका के बारे में मैंने कुछ किया था. सो लाइक दिस यू नीड हियर भीमबेटका. Okay, like this you need to find out. So I'm coming out of this page because there is a question of copyright issue, so that's why. But for you, you're the student, so no copyright issue as such. As much as you can go through daily. You can hundreds of hours you can spend, so there will be no copyright strike. This is the point. Okay, so next point would be the concept of, yeah, here it is interesting point. So let me pick the pen again. यहाँ पर बोलते हैं this point, the concept of earth being flat got the prominence during this age, and hence population spread across the globe was less. What is this? This is all concoction idea. See, concept of earth being flat, मतलब उन लोगों का concept क्या था? Paleolithic, early Paleolithic people. So they used to think that this earth being a chapta matlab flat. So if you go to the edge of the flat, so you will fall down into the unknown places down the earth and you will die. So that's why they did not spread across the globe. So what is this? ये बच्चों का मतलब idea है, ये बच्चा also can write. But any which way, this is there in our curriculum, so there is no other option but to study and remember all these scraps. All right. Otherwise मैं क्यों ऐसा मतलब बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि देखो हम लोग का शास्त्र में, जिस शास्त्र के बारे में हम लोग ऑलरेडी बताया, हिंदू शास्त्र में 4 कलियुगास, I mean 4 युगास है. एक युगास करोड़ों साल होते हैं, मत करोड़ों, I mean लाखों साल होते हैं. ओके, each yuga. So we have in previous class I already discussed. So they're clearly mentioned, okay, in Shastra. Why I'm putting this point in front of you? देखो हिंदू शास्त्र में बोलते हैं, शास्त्र में, सो भूगोल, भू मतलब ये जो ना भूगोल जो जियोग्राफी होता है उसको शास्त्र में, I mean संस्कृत में बोलते हैं भू मतलब अर्थ. भू मीन्स अर्थ. Okay, in Sanskrit. In English it is earth. Gol means round. Okay, so this is already there in our Shastra. But what to do? These are not being taught in academic or university or colleges. But we need to study all these scraps, which is not rational, which is not correct to the point. I mean, as per the regions. So if you soberly think, then these are something like a child play. Okay, child ideas. So anyway, we need to study for the purpose of you passing the exam of UPSC or any other competitive exam. So that's why you need to study and you need to upload all these scraps into your head. No other option. Sorry guys, so I'm just, it is not exaggeration, but it is a talk. Okay, next point. See, followed gods and goddesses through the ritualistic ways. So historian का मानना है, so Paleolithic age में वो लोग क्या गॉड एंड गॉडेजेस देव देवियों को पूजा पाठ करते थे थ्रू राइचुअलिस्टिक। राइचुअलिस्टिक मतलब यहाँ पर विधि होता है, विधि। विधि मतलब नियम। नियम का मतलब वहाँ पर नियम के साथ साथ ओनली नियम नहीं होगा, वहाँ पर मंत्र पाठ भी होगा। ओके, मंत्र पाठ। सो मंत्र पाठ के बारे में तो नहीं बताया। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड देयर स्क्रिप्ट। सेकेंड, you cannot decipher it, so now you are giving your own ideas. There is no way to connect the dot, all right, but still we have to study because these are there in the curriculum. We need to by heart it, okay, just for the sake of clearing the eyes or competitive exam. Anyways, so this is the point, so you need to remember. Third, the next point is rock cave paintings were developed. Example, Bori Caves in Pune and Pallavaram, Chennai. So यहाँ पर, so I will clear this, so I will maximize this little bit, okay. इसको थोड़ा बड़ा करने दे, बड़ा. 1 second. I hope you guys are okay. Oh my goodness. So थोड़ा इधर आने दे. Okay, so we are already, oh my goodness, तो इसको बड़ा कर देता हूँ. ओके, सो यहाँ पर है फॉलोड एंड गॉड एंड गॉडेजेस, सो ये तो हो गया. सो नेक्स्ट है दिस वन, रॉक एंड केव पेंटिंग्स, बोरी केव्स एंड पुणे एंड पलावरम, चेन्नई. चेन्नई में यहाँ पर वेबसाइट में जाइए आप लोग, ओके, गो टू टाइप दिस बोरी केव्स ऑफ पुणे एंड पलावरम ऑफ चेन्नई. So you will get to know, so this will retain, you know, if you go through the website, so it will make you understand, okay. So this will keep the information in your brain for longer time. So if you do this practice, so do this practice, you know, whenever you study the history, so whenever you come across these sites, okay, there are many things to come. This is just a sample, okay. In history, so you will have the many, not only in the static but in the current affairs also. You need to go through, you need to do this strategy, you know, whenever you sit for study, just connect to the internet, and when you come across this kind of information like rock, you know, rock or cave paintings, then Bori caves or Pallavaram in Chennai, so these are very unheard, you know, these are the terms and places which we are unheard of. So just to retain it for exam sake and for longer memory, so you need to do these strategies. Sit for study and connect to internet, and whenever you come across, you just browse, okay. Google है, Google is आपकी मुट्ठी में, okay. You make your information in your palm, okay. So this is the point I'm stressing on, okay, if you want to pass the examination. Next point, this is going to be the last point in the characteristics of the early Paleolithic age, okay. 20 millions, 2 millions to 1 millions, all right. So last है, community system did not develop according to historian, they lived in small group. So पहले तो यहाँ पर कम्युनिटी का बात जिक्र किया है, ओके, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कम्युनिटी. सो historian believed, they concocted stating that these early Paleolithic people, so they could not form the community, and reason they have a lot, they used to live in group, small group, you know, band of people, okay, small band of people. So this is the idea that historians were under the impression, okay. So ये चीज़ें आपको याद करनी है, okay. So these are, I think, 11 points. So how many points, let me count, okay. I think this is the enough in the main writing also. बाकी आप तो, you know, in drawings आपको बनानी है little bit, so it will add up. So 10 points is enough. 1 2 3, okay, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, okay, 11 points, that's enough, right. So this is all about the this one. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. So this is the Paleolithic characteristics, all right. So let us see what and all is waiting for you, okay. So यहाँ पर आपको जानी है, let me scroll up, ओके यहाँ पर है, आई एम एक्सक्यूज मी। ऑल राइट, सो यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ चीज़ें रखा आप लोगों के लिए। हियर दिस कैन यू सी मेजर साइज ऑफ द लोअर पैलियोलिथिक। ओके, लोअर पैलियोलिथिक का जो साइज होता है, सो ये सब आपको पॉज करना है। सो मैंने बोला ना आप लोगों को कि जब भी आप पढ़ने बैठेंगे, ओके, वेन एवर यू सिट्स फॉर स्टडी, जस्ट कनेक्ट टू इंटरनेट, क्योंकि दीज आर द थिंग्स यू नीड टू रिमेंबर। साबरमती गुजरात साइड में, ओके, एंड सेंट्रल इंडिया में आपको डिटेल्स में मिलेंगे इफ़ यू गो थ्रू विच आर द रीजन्स दैट आर रिगार्डेड एज सेंट्रल इंडिया। सो make in mind because for longer days you need to retain, okay, so that's why these are the studies you need to maintain, okay. Kurnool Andhra Pradesh, these are the sites name, okay, these are the major. There are many other sites for this Paleolithic, early Paleolithic, okay, but these are the main, okay. And Swan Valley Pakistan अभी पाकिस्तान में है, so major portion went to Pakistan after partition, okay. So I will show you more are there, okay. One second, यहाँ ये, okay, few left, okay. So this is the we are actually end of it. So एक है साबरमती and Central India and Kurnool Andhra Pradesh and Son Valley of the part of the Pakistan, okay. So last we have Kashmir Valley and Mewar region. Mewar का जो not all the region of the Mewar but the plain region, okay, and Chota Nagpur area and north of the river Kaveri and Deccan Plateau. So what is Deccan Plateau? So I will show you quickly before the copyright strike comes, okay. So ये देखना है आपको छोटा नागपुर एरिया कहाँ पर गिरते हैं, डेक्कन प्लेटू, and so these other things you know, all right. So just I will show you with the Deccan Plateau, okay, and Chotanak area. So these are the things I will show you in the map, okay, Indian map. So oh गलती से ये भी आ गया middle Paleolithic age. So this I will push this video for the next upcoming series, okay. So we'll discuss about the middle Paleolithic age and the major sites of the upper Paleolithic age. So अभी मैं उसको नहीं बताऊंगा. So I will add this in the next series, okay. So we will be discussing. So now individually we discussed about the lower Paleolithic age. So next we'll be talking about in my next series. So it would be middle Paleolithic next video, okay. And after that, like this, we will talk about the major sites of the characteristics of the upper Paleolithic age, okay. So अभी आपको दिखानी है यहाँ पर. So I will be showing you the I will show you the map, okay, that area. See, boom. So फटक करके मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, okay. So 30 सेकेंड मेरे पास समय है. So this is the complete, you know, Deccan. So इस एरिया को डेक्कन बोलते हैं, वेस्टर्न घाट, ईस्टर्न घाट, okay. So this is या Satpura, before the Satpura ends, okay, and Chota Nagpur यहाँ पर. So like this you need to study for your longer retains, okay. So this way we need to study, all right. So that's all for today. This is Pranab Gwari, you know, signing off for the day. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.